Welcome back to our gardening and farming channel where we explore the diverse world of plants and their unique qualities. Today we have a delightful herb to showcase, Eau De Cologne Mint. Eau De Cologne Mint is an aromatic herb that has been cherished for centuries. It is believed to have originated in Europe where it was highly regarded for its fragrance. Growing Eau De Cologne Mint is relatively easy, making it a popular choice among gardeners. It thrives in well-drained soil and prefers partial shade to full sun. This herb is known for its vigorous growth and spreading habit, so it's best to plant it in containers or use barriers to prevent it from taking over your garden. Companion planting with Eau De Cologne Mint can offer several benefits. Its strong scent helps repel pests like ants, aphids, and mosquitoes, making it a great addition to your garden. Planting alongside vegetables like cabbage and tomatoes can help deter pests and enhance the flavors of neighboring plants. The uses of Eau De Cologne Mint are as captivating as its fragrance. Its leaves are commonly used in herbal teas, adding a refreshing and minty aroma. You can also incorporate them into homemade bath and body products, such as soaps, bath salts, and candles, for a delightful sensory experience. In addition to its aromatic qualities, Eau De Cologne Mint has been used in traditional medicine for its potential health benefits. It is believed to aid digestion, relieve headaches, and provide a cooling sensation. As with any herbal remedy, it's important to consult a healthcare professional before using it for medicinal purposes. And there you have it, the fragrant Eau De Cologne Mint, a versatile and aromatic herb that adds a touch of freshness to any garden or herb collection. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating plant profiles and gardening insights. Happy gardening.